Hi everyone, welcome to Chinese Voyage. So in this lesson, we will continue to learn another 4 initials. The da, da, the, 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 di, the, du, da, di, du, ta, th, th, t, tu, ta, ti, tu, n, na, n, n, ni, n, nu, n, ny, na, ni, nu, l, la, l, li, lu, lü, la, le, li, lu, lü. Now we will read several groups of vocabulary weighted with tones. The same, I will read each word for twice. Please read along with me. Mama, mama. So here you will see the letter 1 with no tone. So this is the neutral tone. We pronounce very slightly. Once again, mama. Here you will see some pinyin units together with the tone marks. Each of them form a vocabulary. Now please practice the pronunciation with me. 大的，大的，地图，地图，弟弟，弟弟，独立，独立，他，他，个大，个大，不提了，不提了，土地， 土地，哪里？哪里？是呢，是呢。泥巴，泥巴。努力，努力。So here you can see it in these vocabularies, there are two third tone characters. So according to the tone change rules, the character before it will change from the first tones into the second tones. Original pronunciation for these characters is na. Now the whole vocabulary will be pronounced as 哪里,哪里. So the tone has been changed into the second tones. 女,女。邋遢，邋遢。麻了，麻了。马路，马路。利率，利率。So in order to let you get familiar with the Pinyin writings and the pronunciations, I prepare Pinyin worksheets for you guys as exercises. So the download link is ready at the descriptions below. You can also find it in the curriculum of Pinyin course at our site. Please make sure you practice it and come back to move on to the next lessons when you are ready. For more courses you can explore in the Chinese Voyage and keep your momentum, please check out the links in the descriptions below. We have drawn a very clear and steady learning path for you. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you!